What's up, everyone? How are you all doing today? It is a special day today because today is November 24th, and what does that mean? It is the anniversary of my live stream, my YouTube channel, Little Rex Media, and I guess in a way this is kind of like the yearly address, the state of the channel, state of the company address that I give to you all and unveil plans, upcoming plans, how current plans from last year are going. And we're gonna get all up into it. But before we do anything, this set here, I'll be honest, when I made this in season 6, I was okay with it. I thought it looked nice and a little bit clean, but I don't know, over time I just wasn't that big a fan. So let's go ahead and change that. There we go. That looks better. Like it? I like it too. But yes, so this is the new set for Daily Chat. If you guys don't know what Daily Chat is, it used to be a daily talk show, hence the name, that has kind of devolved into just whenever I have spare time to cover news topics. Maybe one day, I don't know. I doubt I'll ever go back to doing it daily just because the amount of time investment involved in it. I don't know. This might be called monthly chat or intermittent chat, or, spacey chat. It might be called something else in the future, but Daily Chat has been around. It's one of my original shows, and it's one of the ones I do enjoy doing when I have time to do it. But let's get into what was last year's stuff. So last year, I announced like 8 new channels: Little Rex Gaming, Little Rex Programming, Fitness, Cooking. I announced a bunch of them, and what was the state of them? Little Rex Gaming has been getting some video updates a little bit more constantly now, so that's good. That channel, shockingly enough, per video post, is my highest viewed channel, even more than the main channel. The main channel gets like, on an average, like 20-30 views per video. Each of the videos on Little Rex Gaming has gotten well over 1,000 views. So, shockingly enough, out of all my channels, it might be the first one to get monetized, even more than this channel, the main channel right here. And yeah, so that's been the thing. The fitness channel has been also kind of getting updates. I do have videos in the drive to edit. I just haven't had time to edit them, which I will come back to. Cooking channel, once again, I have videos that are in recorded but haven't edited them yet, so we'll get into that. And then what else do I have? The programming channel, all I did was re-upload. Like when I cleaned out the main channel of all the other video content that wasn't like tech based, I put all the Game Maker Studio videos on there. So those videos are up there. And I do have a current project in the works that I was going to edit an existing project to make it for a friend. And then I'll be honest with you, I forgot what I even did on that project. I totally forgot. So I was like, you know what? Screw it. Chucked it in the bin, and I'm just going to restart the whole thing. And I started writing the new program, and then I realized, I'm like, at no point did I ever turn on OBS for this thing, and I probably should make this into content. So I'm going to be restarting that project, this time with commentary. So I will be doing that. And the other channels, I haven't done much with anything yet, mainly because, once again, it's just a time thing. Now, let's talk about the time thing. This has been 7 years that I've been doing this. 7 years of learning, 7 years of analytics, 7 years of networking. It's been a long time, and I could not be happier with how things have been going. I think they've been going pretty well. After a point, I kind of gave up doing this as a job and just started doing this as my hobby, basically. Not even a side hustle, just my hobby, because I don't meet the requirements for monetization, which I'm totally okay with. I don't even care anymore. I still have fun with what I do. And what was I going to say? I'd be remiss, and I should have done this right off the top, but I would be remiss if I didn't do my yearly thank yous to people past and present who helped me, I'd say with the people who helped me. Let's just go with people who helped me. I don't know why I'm splitting hairs on this. So the yearly thank yous. First, my first two my first 4 viewers ever are Jed, Jeb, Velvet Dove, Vampy Soul Stalker Taker, one of the two. But these are my first 4 viewers. Cannot thank them enough. They were there from the start. They helped me kind of get my footing, get my understanding. They helped me evolve my character and everything at the time. So thank you to them. Why is that so loud? Hello? One sec, guys. Sorry. There we go. But yeah, I would be remiss if I did not thank them first and foremost. Next people up on the list. My best friend, Voodoo Panda, Raven Winter Sky. I don't know what name she goes by now, but she's changed her name like a million times. But Winter, couldn't thank her enough. Devious Furball, obviously the co-creator of Daily Chat. One of my best friends who I don't get to talk to nearly enough. So can't thank him enough for all the help he's given me over time. The Church Girls who helped evolve the Rexona character, which I don't do anymore. And given the state of the current climate, I don't know if I can do it anymore without getting in trouble by Twitch. Like, if you people are offended, I don't care about you, whatever. I just don't know if I can't do it without breaking TOS. So Rexona might never come back, which is a little bit sad, but we'll see how that goes in the end. And BK Evil Chick, my co-creator of Button Mash. Thank you, big thank you to her. And my mom and my sister, of course. You know, they were always there for moral support. And who else? Oh, yes. And the person who actually tangibly contributed the most to this year's evolution of the stream is my friend Clowner. My friend Clowner is the person who really made the new evolutionary steps of this channel possible. He was the one who helped me set up my new streaming setup where I have the whole house, where I have the GoPro streams. He helped me get that to where it was, and literally without him, I never could have done it. So huge, huge thank you to Clowner for all the help he has given me on that. Now, where are we going for year 7? What is the plan? I will openly admit this past year, I did very, very little in totality, mainly because I'm wrapping up degree number 4. I was working contract as a full-time job. I just did not have time between homework and work, just no time at all. So what is the plan? I don't think for much of year 7, there's going to be a lot of evolution this time around. Now, one thing I can tell you is the video quality of, if there are videos, the video quality will get better because I am upgrading my recording stuff to 6K. 6K camera. So the quality will go up. That is for sure. I might still only post in 4K for YouTube because I don't think YouTube can do 6K. And I will tell you this right now, being somebody who uploads in 4K to my main channel, actually to all my channels that I record through OBS, it's hard. Like, the videos don't process in very fast time. The file sizes are massive. Uploading in 4K on its own is quite a trial. So the 6K footage will be recorded in 6K, but I doubt you'll get it in 6K. You'll probably get it in 4K. You might even get it in 1080p. I haven't really decided where I'm going to go with that yet. The videos that were in production from last year, there are things I bought last year and in classic Arif fashion are still in, not only in their boxes, still in their cellophane. Yeah, they're still in the plastic that they came in. Like, I bought a monitor calibrator this time last year and it's still in its plastic, and that's still on my list to do because these 3 monitors are not calibrated to the same color. That is for damn sure. So that is on there. I still meant to review this phone. This is a Samsung S52, okay? Or A52. I bought this in June saying, hey, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to spend 5.5 weeks. Get it? 5.2 weeks. I was going to do that and then give a review on it after what it's like after a month and some change. Well, we are now in November. So what is that? June. So July, August, September, October, November. I might release it next week because then I can say I spent 5.2 months. I spent 5.2 months with this phone. I might just do that. I might just like legit just scramble that video out. I don't even know how I want to shoot it, to be totally honest. I don't know if I might just do it like on this format as a talking head. I feel like that might actually be the best way, given how long it's been. That might be the best way to go about it. And then what else is there that we need to talk about? Like I said, I won't be doing a whole lot because I'm still wrapping up degree number 4, which will wrap up in a few weeks. I'm very happy about that. And then I do want to get the programming channel up and running, because that is something I've noticed a very large lacking in terms of like how I deliver content versus how other people deliver content, because so many things are very, very basic. Everything on YouTube feels like it's always geared towards like absolute beginners. And I want to just start like bumping up the experience level a little bit. I'm a garbage developer. I'm a terrible developer, but I still feel like some people just need to start stepping it up, because it's always beginner stuff and it's always just too annoying. So we're going to get through that. I don't know what I want to do with the equipment on the side here. I still have to build a backup computer, because the shortage has made me have to stop. So I still have my 5900X, which I got in February, which is still in the box. And this computer I'm recording on is a 3900X. I do want to do that swap, but I don't want to do that swap until I have the next computer ready to go, so I can swap the chips, swap the motherboards, all that other stuff. So I still have a computer to build. The server has gotten a major upgrade, because the server that I run off of has gone from being some old, like janky bulldozer AMD CPU, which is like the 3820, which is the garbage CPU, to now my old backup computer, which is an Ryzen 5 2600. So the server got a huge upgrade, which is great. That's helped a lot with getting stuff ready, kind of how I've been monitoring all my different streams. It's been my good central point for how all my streams come together. So the server got a huge upgrade. Mic equipment, audio equipment, nothing on that side has changed. And I don't see any of that changing for the foreseeable future. I did swap out a mixer only because I didn't like the quality. So I did swap out a mixer, but I wouldn't call that a huge upgrade. Then other than that, I don't think I know any other major upgrades. This year is going to be kind of a downplayed year. I feel like this year and last year is the least amount of work I did since 2016. 2017, 2018, I did the 5-day, 7-day challenge, which I went every day streaming. So that was good. 2019, I got busy with work and completing my comp sci degree. 2020 was the pandemic. I feel like I should have done more in that time. I don't know why I didn't. I think I was just lazy. That's my biggest downfall, is I have all the ideas in the world, but I'm very, very lazy with execution. I just don't want to sit here and have to do all the work myself. And that's just the life of when you're not a mega star where you can afford to hire other people. You do all the work yourself, and it does become a little bit daunting and does become a little bit stressful at times, especially when all the work you do doesn't return on your investment, which once again, at some point you just stop caring. And now, if you've noticed, I stopped caring. I don't care about any of you anymore. Watch the video, don't watch the video. I don't care. People are idiots all the way around. I can't stand most of you anyway. So there is that. Oh, one thing I did really get into this year was stock trading. So the Literex Finance channel has been created. I'm still kind of like learning. This is not a topic I want to talk about without having actual return on investment proof that whatever I talk about is working. So that's why that channel has been created, but I have not talked about on anything yet, because I am still learning, and god damn it, I'm still stuck in 2 positions for the last 2 weeks. So I definitely don't want to talk about that. Other than that, guys, this has been the state of the channel address. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't think I missed anything. As you can tell, I came in kind of blind. Honestly, it's 10:19 in the evening. I just woke up like not that long ago. So I'm kind of rushing this out before the end of the day. But that is by and large the state of the channel and where things are going to go. I'm basically just going to continue on from last year's promises and keep going on that. The only mega change was the 6K camera, and other than that, maybe I might launch new projects, but it's highly unlikely. I'd like to just kind of get caught up on the things I'm already working on for the past 3 years. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do hit that subscribe button. I've been Arif. This has been Daily Chat / the 7-year anniversary State of the Channel address. I will see all of you on the next video. Bye.